Hey, welcome back to Dan's Rips. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Got a new release for you today. 2024 Topps Series 2. Jumbo format here. We got 2 boxes. So we'll get to look at 2 autographs, possibly 3 if we get really lucky, but 1 autograph and 2 relics per box. Hopefully we don't get a manufactured relic, but I guess they're numbered to 299 this year, the Silver Slugger manufactured relics. But we got 10 packs, 40 cards per pack. So smaller packs again. They keep lowering it, but 400 cards is still quite a bit. So hopefully you can complete your set in 1 box, if that's what you're looking to do. We get 2 silver packs. Hopefully those are the goods. But anyways, wish us luck. We're gonna get right into it. There's no Paul Skeens in this one. I think he'll be coming out in update, so update should be pretty good. But we're looking for Yamamoto for the Dodgers, Pete Crow Armstrong, Jordan Lawler. I'm not sure how to say the guy from the Cubs, but we're looking for the Cubs guy. He's pretty good. Anyways, let's get right into it. Reese McGuire to start us off. So look at this. Look at the cards here. Nice look at the back. A little different there. They look nice. To be centered. Heston Kjerstad, there's one of the good ones. One of the decent rookies there. Put him in the good pile. Evan Phillips, Lucas, Jackson. It's like really nice, really sharp. Gavin Sheets, Michael Busch, Feature Stars insert. Jeremy Pena, Stephen Cruz rookie. And here's our first something coming up here. All the good stuff's going to be in the middle. Oh, Shohei something. Christian Vasquez. Shohei Ohtani covering the field insert. Shows where all his hits go to, it looks like. Not sure about that one. Cool new insert. Let's see what our card was here. For the Phillies. It's a Trey Turner throwback. Or vintage stock, I should say. $12.99. It's pretty cool. Get that one sleeved up. A thicker stock. That's a cool one. Blake Snell. All-Star Mark McGuire. Victor Vodnik. There's a Jordan Lawler. That's a decent one. Put him in the good pile here. All right, pack one is a success. We got a numbered card, a couple good rookies. There's a Dodgers card. Manny Machado. Looks like we've got some sort of relic here. It's a Juan Soto. Silver Slugger. Still in his San Diego uniform here. He's due for a big contract coming up. And we got a gold for the Marlins. It's kind of got some... Here's the Silver Slugger. I thought these were supposed to be numbered to 299, but I guess not. No numbering on this one. And this one's got $13.51 at 2024, and it's got a little bit of numbering on the front from the card ahead of it, looks like. But anyways, there we go. Garcia, $13.51 of 2024. Two packs, two numbered cards. Way better than Series 1. But that should be true, as this is shorter printed than Series 1. Everyone's after the Series 1 to start the season off, but there's a silver foil. Around the horn, Ozzie Albies insert. There's the 89 Pedro Martinez. Cool looking. Jordan Walker, Future Stars. It's a decent one. Hunter Goodman, MJ Melendez, and Sonny Breda. Finish off pack 2. Motivated in Minnesota. Francisco Alvarez. It's the Pirates team card. Sawyer. There's a Marte rookie. And into our hits here. Let's go like this. Start off with a gold foil. Garcia. He's very popular for us. Got the All-Star Alex Bregman. We just got his gold card right up here. Now we have his gold foil. Maybe we'll get the rainbow for him. We got a Padre. Yu Darvish. Great pitcher. Those cards look cool. That is 465 of 499 on the Yu Darvish. We're 3 for 3 on the packs here. Doing pretty good. Way better than expected. There's a cool Mickey Mantle. 89 throwback. Future Stars. Is it Gunnar Henderson, Rookie Cup? Max Scherzer. All right, 3 packs in, 3 numbered cards. Doing pretty good. Francisco Lindor. Start us off here. Austin Wells, rookie. There's a Junior Caminero. It's a good one. If you can get him in a parallel or autograph, would be great. And Adley Rutschman, All-Star. Gold foil, Ryan McKenna. With it covering the field. Julio Rodriguez insert. Mason Wynn. That's a good one. Shortstop for the Cardinals. Put him in the good pile. All right, no numbered card there. There's a home run challenge, Pete Alonso. And a gold. Slade Ciccone for the Diamondbacks. And a Victor Robles silver foil. That's 1005 out of 2024. We're going to have to speed this up a little bit. Won't take up too much of your time here. There's a bad one there. Weston Wilson, James Outman, Josh Young, Rookie Cup, we got silver foil for the Brewers, Blake Perkins. And Nolan Arenado, St. Louis. Not sure, City, no, it can't be a City Connect, I don't think. Not sure the name of that insert, but it's pretty cool. There we go. That's a good one. Amanga for the Cubs. Take care of that one. Still looking for our autograph and a relic. And there's our autograph. Gavin Williams. And then we've got a Bryce Harper. And not sure that's probably a silver foil. Oh, we did get a home field advantage. Bryce Harper, sweet. It's a cool looking one. And a Slade Coney. Joey Votto. Get these taken care of. You have received a Baseball Stars autograph card. Not the best. But we'll take this one. Pretty cool looking. Three packs left, one relic to go. And here it is. Let's see who we get. All-Star Manny Machado. Got a pinstripe in there too. We'll take it. Is he hiding anything else? Josh Young. Very cool looking card. Surprised it's not numbered with the pinstripe in there. But we'll take it. The Josh Young Gold Foil Rookie Cup. Julio Rodriguez. Gabriel Moreno. On the significant stats, I'm not sure. This card is super damaged. Big old dings in it. And it just says 9. That's his significant stat. All right. Bo Bichette, All-Star. Pete Crow Armstrong, that's a good one. Maybe get that in a parallel or autograph or relic, something. All right, 2 packs left. We've got all of our hits. Spencer Steer Rookie Cup. There's another Heston Kjerstad. There's a Showtime. Got a Ranger, Josh Young. We'll take that. With the silver foil, Cedric Mullins. I'll replace this one. Bobby Witt, Ronald Acuna. All right, last pack of box one. Manny Machado. Luis Robert. We got a silver foil that we've dropped twice now. Corner's probably damaged. Not too bad. But it's a city or a team card anyway, so who cares? There's a Showtime All-Star Game. All right, give us 1 second. We're gonna move some cards here. All right, we'll save those silver packs for last. Oops. Yellow. Well, that's bad. All right, let's hope for a better autograph. We got a decent relic, so can't complain about that one too much. I'm going to go through these pretty fast now since we've already taken a look at most of them. Got a silver foil, Corbin Carroll, Phoenix, and Around the Horn, and a Mickey Mantle. I like how they got the cards spun around in the middle. All right, nothing going on there. Luke Little is hiding, or James Outman. Gold. Lucas Sims. Silver foil. Covering the field, and a Mookie Betts All-Star. It's a cool picture. $9.43 at 2024. Thought I saw something blue. We will see. Spencer Steer. Heston Kjerstad again. JP Martinez. Did see something blue. Oh. David Wright on the throwback. Got a Reds. So LA's got rookie cards in here, but they're inserts. So that's a rookie there. We'll take it. Put that in the good pile. And what's this blue? Marte. For the Reds, rookie card. Oh, and we got a congratulations. Let's see who this is going to be. Daniel Palencia. Well, auto sucked. That's for sure. Doesn't mean we can't pull another one. Seen multiple autos pulled out of single boxes before. So blue is not numbered. No, Pete Crow Armstrong will save. There's a women in baseball. Veronica Alvarez. Followed by gold foil. And a Mike Trout covering the field. And a throwback Austin Wells. No relic yet. Oops. Mason Wynn. Josh Young. Silver foil Evan Phillips. Ted Williams. Young Ho Lee. Showtime. Home Run Challenge, Julio Rodriguez. And gold, Isaac. Not sure how to say your last name, sorry. Silver foil, Bobby Witt, and a Sandy Koufax. That's cool. .412 at 2024. Got a gold foil for the A's. And then around the horn, Derek Jeter. And we have a Cardinals, Tommy Edman. That's be numbered to 50. Baby blue. For Father's Day, maybe? Tommy Edman, shortstop, 13/50. It's a cool one. Bryce Miller, Future Stars, Trout. There's a Jordan Lawler. Still looking for 2 relics here. There's one of them. Let's see who we get. There's Junior Caminero again. Game used memorabilia. It is Javier Baez, followed by Jordan Walker, Future Stars, Gold. Oh, look at this. Another Ellie. And we'll take it. There we go. Yamamoto. I think that's the first one of him we got, so we didn't get the set in the first box if we didn't get him. It's not numbered. I think I've seen that one yet. Oh, what do we have here? Got a Julio Rodriguez, a throwback, Future Stars, and Miguel Rojas, the orange. $124 at $2.99. Cool looking card. Jordan Walker. Last pack should have our relic in it. Brian De La Cruz. Miami Connect. Game used memorabilia. Got the pinstripe in there. 147 and 199. Followed by gold. Pavin Smith. And a Jackson silver foil. Tatis. I'll cut my corners a tiny bit on my penny sleeves just to make it slide in effortlessly. Try not to damage the cards. Pavin Smith, 706 at 2024. And that's a cool one. Like that one. Congratulations, you have received a City Connect relic card. It says game used, but not from any specific game, event, or season. So don't even know what season it's from. But we'll take it. That's a little better than that one. Now we've got the silver packs. Hopefully get a bonus auto or something in here. But thanks again for watching. We really appreciate it. Follow us on Instagram, Dan's Rips. There's Anthony Volpe. Aaron Nola. Wade Meckler. And Max Scherzer. Greg Maddux, Ceddanne Rafaela, Parker Meadows, Hanley Ramirez, Xander Bogaerts, Vladdy. There's a Yamamoto. We'll take that one. And a Jackie Robinson. Get that one sleeved up real quick. And last pack. Mike Mussina. There's a Trout. Austin Wells. And Endy Rodriguez to finish us off. Thanks again for watching. We hope you have a great day.